Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Monday Morning Minute. It is May 12th, 2025. Another volatile week last week that ended up just about flat when it was all said and done. We saw U.S. stocks down pretty hard Monday and Tuesday and then bounce back later in the week when there seemed to be some optimism on the tariff discussions. The Fed basically came out and said they're in wait and see mode. They're going to keep holding position right now with the expectations of unemployment possibly rising and inflation increasing. They're not entirely sure when they want to start cutting rates, but they're pretty sure they're going to start cutting rates, whatever that means. Didn't see much action in the bond market. Internationals were up just a little bit on the week as well. This week so far, overnight news suggests that there is a trade deal between the United States and China, or at the very least, at least a moratorium on some of these tariffs, which should be helpful for the U.S. economy, at least in the short term. Big time question here is what this is going to mean to GDP going forward. Since people pulled forward a lot of imports over the last couple of months in preparation for accelerating tariffs, there could be a major reduction in imports, which would artificially make GDP look really, really good over the next couple of months. So we're going to keep an eye on that. This week, there's not a ton of data. We are going to get a CPI print on Tuesday, which will be helpful, as well as a few other smaller, less important data points later in the week. Remember, hope is not an investment strategy. Have a wonderful week.